Very chilly, like you said. I'll take you through today, and then coming up in just a moment or two, we'll have your forecast for tonight. But the basic takeaway is it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be cold, kind of a dreary day. One of those days where it's kind of tough to get up and get moving, but at least the knowledge of having an Eagles game on a Thursday night may help you get moving and get excited about the day. Take a look at how chilly it is, though. As you step outside, you'll realize, again, you may need that heavy coat. You may even want the gloves and the hat. If you're going to be out and about early this morning, temperatures are sub-freezing in a few spots. Millville at 30, Toms River 30 as well, 38 in Philadelphia, and it's only 36 in Wilmington. Pottstown and Allentown starting off the morning in the 20s. Clouds are rolling in, and that's really going to keep us from warming up appreciably at all today. In fact, we will be hard pressed to even crack the 50-degree mark. Our forecast high in Philadelphia just 52. I do think there are some parts of the area that will only see the 40s for highs today. And again, you don't even have the sun to warm you up. When you were in direct sun yesterday, it felt okay. Today, no sun. The clouds are already rolling in as we speak. And coming up, we're tracking this system, which could bring a little bit of rain tonight to parts of the area. Coming up, I'll walk you through this hour by hour, and we'll take a look at that tailgating forecast and the Eagles forecast for tonight. Let's send it over to Kim Hudson for a pretty slight chance. I think we will get some rain tonight, but it's not going to be much. It's probably going to be pretty much for most of us on the level of what we saw Sunday night into Monday morning, which means not enough to alleviate the drought concerns. Outside right now, we're starting to cloud up a little bit, but it is still dry, and it will stay dry at least through the daylight hours today. If you do have Eagles tickets tonight, it's not going to be a washout of a game, but I would probably bring the waterproof jacket with you just in case there may at least be some light rain or drizzle, a couple of showers that try to roll through South Philly later on this evening. For now, we're just kind of clouding up. It's 39 degrees in Philadelphia. It feels a little bit colder than that thanks to a breeze from the north, about 5 miles per hour. Not all that windy, but your next 48 hours today stays cloudy. And again, yesterday was cold, but at least we had the sun. When you were in the full sun, it wasn't too bad, but yesterday was one of those days. The first day you really felt like, okay, I need the big coat. Today, same story, 52 degrees, and we don't even have the sun to warm you up, so it's going to be one of those gray, chilly afternoons. Tonight, cloudy, 41, maybe a stray sprinkle, especially to the south. And then tomorrow, the sun is back, some morning clouds giving way to lots of sunshine. It's a beautiful Friday. Here's the system we're watching. You can see it's right there. It's almost worse that it's right there. You see all this rain moving through West Virginia, moving into Ohio and western Pennsylvania. But what happens is, as this system approaches, a new low is then going to develop on the southern edge of it, right off the coast of the Carolinas. So the rain approaches, and then the northern edge fizzles, and the energy transfers to that new low off the Carolinas. It's going to pull most of the moisture south. So to the north, that rain chance just kind of falls apart. There will be a few showers, mainly from the city on south, but by far the big winner as far as rainfall will be areas off to the south and west, where we're looking at over an inch of rain. Now, West Virginia, parts of this area in a very significant drought as well. They do need this rain, but look how close it is. Just down in Richmond, looking at about 1.5 inches of rain. In our area, we're looking at maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch. Better chance to pick up maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch in Lancaster and down into Delaware. But again, for most of us, this is not going to be a major rainmaker. Your next weather 7-day forecast then brings in some nicer conditions. We'll get the clouds out of here, and the weekend looks gorgeous. And even next week, we'll keep it above average with highs in the 60s through Wednesday. Let's send it over to Kim and check on traffic. Good morning.